Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to escape from clearance event. I'll be showing you the escape plan and the solution to get your parcel as quick as possible from the clearance event which will happen to every parcel by DHL. So follow all the following steps to escape the customs clearance and get your parcel as quickly as possible. But before starting, please allow DHL 24 hours of time to clear your parcel. If your parcel is still not cleared in 24 hours, then follow these steps. First is called the customer care. This might seem pretty obvious, but this is the first step. If you're calling from India, the phone number is 1800 111 So when you call this number, either you will get a message like the line is busy or please call after some time, but just cut the call and call multiple times. You will get connected some point or the later. Then you will hear an automated message. So wait for 30 seconds till the automated message is ends. Many people don't wait for 30 seconds and just skip. So wait for 30 seconds. Then you will be connected to a customer service agent. So get the name of the customer service agent and record it for future purposes. Then ask him why your parcel has been delayed. He will just check and tell you the exact reason. Then ask him his DHL email ID. I will be telling you later why do you need this email ID. Then the most important one is to ask him to raise a request about why your parcel has been delayed. Now he will be raising a request, and this request will be reviewed by the concerned team in the DHL destination country to know why your parcel has been delayed. Then keep calling different customer service agents. Most of the customer service agents are lazy and want to avoid your work, so they will just tell you some excuses and will not raise your request or not give you any proper information. So disconnect the call back again. You will be connected to a different customer service agent, then tell him your story again. So keep doing this process multiple times. Then the next step is most packages get delayed due to the missing documents. uh, Around 90% of these packages do not have uh, proper documents. That's why they get delayed and are in the customs clearance event. So to escape this, you need to submit 4 documents. First one is if you want to escape paying custom charges, then write in MS Word that the parcel which you are sending to your friend or the receiver is a gift and it does not have any commercial transaction involved. Then second document is you need to have an address proof of the sender. Then third one is you need to have a list of all the items in your package. Fourth one is the price list of all your items. Then email these documents by typing in MS Word and put a picture of your signature. Uh, th- then this email should be sent to the email ID of the DHL customer service agent which you have spoken to. That's why you need to record the email ID, because DHL won't tell you which email ID to send your documents to. Then keep calling customer care service multiple times a day. Talk to different customer care agents. Tell them to forward your email to the required people who are actually reviewing your parcel. Then tell them the name of the previous customer agent you spoke, because try to try to speak to different customer people and then try to get as many emails as possible, because some customer agents do not forward your email to the respected people. So then convert your email to language of the destination country. For example, if you send your parcel to Germany, then convert your email to German language. Or if you send it to France, convert it into French. You can use Google Translate for that. Then ask them the status of your request. Ask your customer service agent the status of your request. Ask him the exact timings and when the updates were received for your request. If the request is closed, ask him to raise a request again. If he doesn't raise a request, call the customer care number again. Ask another employee to raise the request. Then clear your parcel in 14 days or after arriving to the destination country, because after 14 days it will take a longer time for your parcel to get cleared. I hope uh, I hope you understood all these steps. If you have any other doubts, please feel to reply in the comment section, and I'll and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much.